Y'all, Beyonce sent me a package. Oh my gosh. What's up guys, it's your favorite homegirl milauncatrin, and welcome back to my channel where I show you all of the things I am currently excited about. And as you read by that title, today's thing that I'm most excited about is the new Ivy Park Drip 2 collection. I am going to be unboxing two pairs of shoes actually that I snagged from the release. Before we get started, please take a few seconds of your time to hit that subscribe button, and also while you're at it, hit that bell notification because it will notify you every time I drop a video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Also while you're at it, like this video because I already know you're gonna like it.
This is business.
Hey!
I invested the money.
Stop talking! I will kill you!
Sorry.
Now that we've done the business part out, let's get into the fun stuff, which is the unboxing of the two pair of shoes. I'm still kind of new to like the unboxing space, so bear with me. I'm gonna do my best to like show you all, you know, what I got. So yeah, let's get started. So it does come with this little cool tag. Okay, did I do it right? It does not seem like I did it right. Okay, so once you are done wrestling with the box, inside the box is this is what it looks like. It's just a green box, nothing too major. This is the box. It's a very nice like mint green color, very on brand with Miss Ivy Park's brand. I love that. Ooh, it comes in its own duster. So as you can see, it has like Ivy Park on the dust bag. So that's really cute. I'm really excited, honestly. Ooh, okay. Oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, this is what the shoes look like. I really loved was that it's not regular shoestrings. Like they're this like drawstring, and it is woven in between here. I really like these. But I also really love that, you know, it has this little feature back here. Like that is really nice. That's really dope to me. Really love that. Let's take the other one out. They're just like really smashed, and I'm trying to like stuff them back open. But you see here, it comes with like this belt clip, this clip thing. I'm not really, this is cool. I do like that it comes with this. I'm gonna take it off my shoes for sure when I wear them. But I do think this is a cool little addition. I think that's tight. Like you can take it on and off. It's just like a little, one of those little buckle things. Like I do think that's cool. I think you could hook that onto like a book bag or something. Like, I don't know, it's just cute. A little nice little touch. If you're interested in like the inside, this is what the inside looks like. Very cute, nice branded touch. It says Adidas and /Ivy Park. All right, let's do the next one. So these here are the Ivy Park Super Sleek 72s. Not they didn't even put them in the dust bag. They just put the dust bag on top. Ooh, these look, okay, I thought that the night joggers were my faves, but these right here are so cute. Ooh, child, look at these. OMG, nah, these, baby, these are fire. These, I understand why they sold out so quick. These is fire. It's the platform. It's really the platform for me because it's like, they're a tennis shoe, yes. But like adding this platform to it just makes it more of like a dressy thing. Like you can dress this up. It still can be casual. Like this is cute. Okay. Wow. Oh, I love these. Oh, I can't wait to put my foot in there. Oh my God, those are so cute. And also I would just want to add that the tissue paper does have the Adidas logo on it if you're into that type of thing. I mean, I know I love packaging. I love the packaging. And again, I really love this like drawstring in the back. Like I think that's such a nice touch to the shoe. Here is I'm loving for these details here on the shoes. Here it says Ivy Park right there. Like I just love these. These are so cute. Like they are just doing it for me. They're just doing it. Like I love these. Okay, so the Super Sleeks on StockX are about $115 to $140 for the super sleek. I feel like I paid $120 for these. I feel like that's how much these were retail. The night joggers are about $150 on StockX. I feel like they were $165 in store. So that's actually pretty cool to see that the resale price has dropped. So if you see them, get them. Overall though, I did want to tell you all, like, you know, my thoughts, because I did actually put my feet into these shoes. So I did actually want to tell you all my raw thoughts. We'll start first with the night joggers. They're really cute on. I really love them on. I really love this feature, how there's no like shoestrings. It's just this here. I love that. Because also with it being roomier, I tighten these. I tighten this part. And it really did kind of fix that. However, it makes this part on the shoe kind of buckle a little bit. This tongue part here, now this is very different. I've never had a shoe where the tongue of the shoe was overwhelmingly large. Like, now speaking of the anklet situation, it does make it a little rough to wear the anklet, especially too because this back part, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of raised up. There's cushion back here now, I will give you that, and that feels really good on my Achilles. That feels good, and I can see myself being able to wear these long term. I just gotta take the anklet off, or maybe put socks on, like long socks. But this feels so good. Like, this is so soft on your feet. It's like gel. So I do like that. I do like that there's like these grooves here. I love the detailing of the shoe. I feel like there was a lot of thought put behind for the shoe. I do love that. Overall, I would purchase these again. I think that these are pretty dope. I do think that they're worth the money, especially considering like the long wearability. Like the soles of the shoe, they feel really good. It's like air at the bottom of these. Like, it feels good with each step. It feels like my feet are like springing back up. So I think that makes this like a really good walking shoe. So yeah, I think these are cool. I love the colorway. I think out of all of the shoes that she released, this colorway was the most versatile. Like, I could wear this with more things. Now the super sleeks, when I first pulled them out the box, y'all seen my face literally dropped because they are gorgeous in person. I think they look so much better in person than they do on the actual site. The night joggers, I think on the site they look just like this. Like, what you got, it looks just like that. There were no surprises. Like, they're fire in person, they were fire on the site. Now the super sleeks, I was a little worried about this pointed toe situation here, which my worries were confirmed because it is a little weird. Like, it's a tennis shoe, but the toe is pointed like a heel. Now these are a women's shoe. I did get these in a 9.5, and let me tell you, see, this is what I mean by my feet are a little bit different. I could have gotten these in a 10 because they're so narrow, and although my feet are narrow shoes, you should still like go up a size. I did see online where people were saying like you should go down a size in these, and listen, don't do that because you won't fit these. You won't fit them. Go a half size up if you're concerned with fitting. If you are like in between, go a half size up, because like I put my foot in these and girl, it did much room before they became to be too small. And I do think that's just because of the toes. Like, I have long feet and like long toes, so like my toes aren't used to being like smashed like this. I do think this tongue part is way longer than the ones on the night jogger. I do think it makes it even more awkward. It kind of like hits on your shin a little bit, not super high, but it is pretty high up on your leg. It really is. It also has that same cushion though in the back, and this one I feel like is a bit more snug. Again, I really still do love this platform bottom. I think that's so cool. As far as like walking in these shoes, they don't hurt, but I don't know about like a long time wearing these like on your feet. Would they start to hurt? Probably, honestly, probably. I do really like here, I don't know if you were able to see this here. So it does come with normal laces. It does. It's not like night joggers, but I love that. Oh my God, what is this called? Y'all know that episode of Phineas and Ferb where they taught us what this was called, the end of the shoelace? They taught us what it was called. Whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. But I love that it's green. Like, I love that detailing. Like, that is so cool. I'm really digging that. This detailing here along the back, I think that is so nice. In person, my in-person impressions, it's still about the same. Like, I thought the shoe was very cute online. I was a little worried about the pointed toe of the shoe. Still am a little like on the fence about it. Like, it's cute, it's different, but like it's pointed like a heel. I don't know, it's a little weird. I'm just not new to it. I mean, I'm just not used to it. But it's still a gorgeous shoe, and I would definitely do it all over again. So shout out to my sister Beyonce for sending me these. I'm just kidding, she didn't send these to me.
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I paid for all of these with my own money. I was stressed out in the drop with my credit card in hand, trying to buy the stuff on Adidas.com, and it was insane. Okay, were you able to get through and actually buy stuff? If you were, comment below, let me know what you got. Also, what do you all think of the shoes? Like, now that you actually can see them, like, you know, see them on someone, see them like with, you know, outside of the internet or online, is outside of the pictures. What do you all think about the shoes? Let me know what you all think. Like, which ones are your favorites? Did you like another shoe from the drop? Like, do you think that you could wear these every day? Like, what's your vibe? What are you picking up from the shoe? Thank you all for tuning in with me. You could literally be anywhere on the internet. There are so many places you could be right now, but you took the time out to tune in and have a conversation with me. So I appreciate you all spending your time with me. Be sure to follow me on the gram to see the different fits that I've paired with my shoes. Hopefully I'll be dropping some looks soon to see, because again, I don't got none of these colors in my closet. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you here again soon. Y'all come back now.